GW231123 was a gravitational wave detected by the two LIGO detectors on the 23rd of November 2023. As of 2025, it is the largest binary black hole merger yet detected, at 225 plus 26 minus 43 solar masses m, or 985 950 octillion plus 109 900 octillion minus 7 975 octillion pounds, for the final object. One or both of the objects involved in the merger may have been in the upper black hole mass gap. GW231123 was the result of the merger of a 137 plus 22 minus 17 m, 600 nonillion plus 69 nonillion 670 octillion 52 nonillion 580 octillion lb, black hole and a 103 plus 20 minus 52 m, 451 nonillion 300 octillion plus 538 nonillion 900 octillion 223 nonillion 400 octillion pounds black hole, creating a new intermediate mass black hole. It occurred at an estimated distance of 717 million plus 13 billion 366 million minus 12 billion 62 million light years, 4 sextillion 215 quintillion 960 quadrillion plus 78 sextillion 590 quintillion 70 sextillion 924 quintillion 560 quadrillion miles. The parent black holes have unusually large spins, with a magnitude of 0.9 plus 0.10 minus 0.19 and 0.8 plus 0.20 minus 0.51 for the two. The high mass of both components of the binary black hole raises questions on its formation, as some very massive stars are thought to undergo pair instability supernova, which do not leave a remnant. This is thought to result in a gap in the black hole mass distribution between 60 and 130 m, 262 nonillion 920 octillion and 569 nonillion 660 octillion pounds, although there is some uncertainty on the limits. This suggests that the system has undergone a more complex process, e.g. with the black holes possibly resulting from earlier mergers, which is known as a hierarchical merger. This hypothesis is in particular supported by the high spins of the black holes. As the signal is extremely short, it is also possible that the signal originates from another type of system, such as cosmic strings, although it is considered unlikely.